sinabi ko,
Really?
this year.
Wala.
Ngayon,
Oo.
sasabi natin very soon.
Very soon! Yes.
Every time we perform on All Out Sundays or in GMA in general, such a good time.
Yes.
Sobrang alaga kami.
We always feel
Okay.
welcome.
Yes.
Tsaka kasi kagaya ng title All Out. So kailangan talaga namin yung All Out. So talaga pinaghandaan namin. Nag-gather kami ng female dancers for the prod namin kasi we want the best for All Out Sundays.
Yes.
Ramdam ko
Ganon.
rin yung love nila for P-pop. So
Yes.
thank you so much for giving us platform.
Yes.
All Out Sunday.
Not just for us, but for others and our peers. So thank you so much again.
Actually, first time namin ma-meet si 16,
21, yes.
Nag...
So,
Yeah.
kind people, sobrang babait nila.
You still haven't posted our collab with
Yan
them on
nga.
art.
Soon yan,
Soon.
soon.
And also, sila ko yung first one, and other people groups din.
Yes, it's good that we all know each other, we're friends, but
Yes.
it's nice
Mahirap
to
lang
meet
mag-hangout kasi
you.
super busy sa backstage.
That's true.
Oo.
But we're really happy that everyone is going in their own beautiful way, and we're just happy to be a part of the movement, P-pop Rise, and mas group palalo. So thank you All Out Sundays
Yes.
for doing
P-pop is
this.
thriving
Sure.
and will
Till the
thrive
next.
more. Siyempre, unang-una sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa bullets namin at patuloy na sumusuporta at sumusubaybay sa amin na online, offline, on-ground, off-ground. Kaya maraming salamat po sa bullets. Mahal na mahal namin kayo.
Yes, thank you so much for being there always para sa amin. And hindi rin namin kayo iwan. Promise.
Kayo po yung reason, and kayo po nagbibigay ng buhay and soul sa trabaho natin. It doesn't feel like trabaho pag nandyan kayo, especially nagbibigay kayo on social media or in real life. Sobrang natutulong yan sa sa.
Yes po. Nakikita namin ang efforts niyo.
Yes.
Para sa abangan! Yes! Very, 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 very soon, may aabangan kayong bagong
Song! Kasi syempre nga, di ba, we promise sa inyo na
Yes,
we will
may
definitely,
susunod.
may susunod na kanta.
And
And
on TV, so kailangan asikaso because
Yes, at
Sinabi
wino-work on
natin.
talaga namin yung mga songs natin. Di ba,
talagang
promise
very
tayo?
hands-on.
Yes, very hands-on talaga. Talagang kami talaga yun.
kasi sa TV sinabi ko,
Really?
this year.
Wala.
Ngayon,
Oo.
sasabi natin very soon.
Very
Yes.
soon!